first. Oh! Man, you really knocked that one.
Ready?
Oh!
You gonna hit it?
Over there.
Okay, that's where he's pointing out where he's gonna hit it.
Oh,
Okay,
good.
ready?
Oh!
Uh-oh.
There.
Go get it.
He tapped her up.
You ready? You gonna get the ball? Okay, you can throw it to me and I'll hit it. Okay. You get the ball. Ready? Wow. Okay, are you gonna catch this? You gonna catch? I gotta get these guys, huh?